you have a light?
The sheer luck of a movie like this is that the costumes do a lot of your work for you as an actor. Once you put those things on, you feel like Cruella de Vil.
Fashion is omnipresent in this film. So we got Academy Award winner Jenny Beavan. She's done it all.
Cruella and the Baroness are adversaries in their work.
The Baroness is at the height of fashion in the 1970s. How is Cruella going to disrupt the establishment?
Fashion is Cruella's tool of revenge.
This film is the biggest thing I've ever done. Emma Stone had 47 looks. It was very important to me for Cruella to be black, white, grey, and red. I want to make art, and I want to make trouble.
To first see the entire look of Cruella together, I have to admit I took a lot of pictures. It was a very narcissistic day, which is perfect for Cruella.
We'll just have to destroy her as we have so many before. Find her.
The Baroness, I saw very clearly. It's very sculptural. Dior influenced.
We sort of channeled the old screen divas, Joan Crawford to Elizabeth Taylor. Every single costume, I go, oh, this is my favorite. Oh, no, this is my favorite.
Jenny has created something really special.
I'm starting to remember. You have a bit of an extreme side.